Judge Judy is the courtroom reality show that captured the world, becoming an institution in American television. Airing for the first time in 1996, it soon became one of the top-rated shows, ruling daytime television for over 2 decades. However, its rise to fame was no accident. It was a product of a concept that would break all records and a judge who was not only skilled in law, but also possessed the charisma to entertain millions. The story behind how Judge Judy came into existence, its popularity and impact on the TV screen, is indeed captivating and inspiring. This is a narrative that explores Judge Judy's origin, from concept to cultural icon. The show had never aired before on TV as a drama with real cases in a live courtroom. Virtually all previous courtroom shows had been fictional until Judge Judy. Programs such as Perry Mason and LA Law had created fictional legal cases to entertain the audience, but there was nothing that depicted the reality of the legal system in a way that audiences could both learn from and enjoy. It was against this backdrop that the new concept of a real show began to shape itself. A show that was to have a real judge presiding over actual legal cases, in front of which viewers will witness how laws operate in the real world. This again had the rider that it wasn't a documentary or even a lecture by the lawyer, but would be constructed with entertainment so that it should keep the mind busy, interested, and educated. It was revolutionary as well as new. Producers were looking for somebody who was more than just a seasoned judge. They needed someone with personality and the presence to command the screen. This is when they came across Judge Judith Sheindlin. A respected judge within New York's family court system before entering television, Sheindlin was no-nonsense, sharp-tongued, and well known for dispensing justice. She had proved to be tough but fair, and that she could cut through the bureaucracy of the legal system with all that sense of an efficiency and decisiveness. Sheindlin was known for her sharp wit, her straightforward manner, and perhaps most importantly, her ability to make people listen. In 1993, Sheindlin taped a pilot for what would soon be called Judge Judy. The test, a pilot, was taken to determine whether this idea could work on TV and whether the viewing audience responded to it in a positive way. The test flopped. Real legal cases combined with Sheindlin's commanding presence and sharp, no-nonsense personality did not take long to first catch and then captivate the attention of their audience. It wasn't long before the show went on to be ordered as a full season. The first official broadcast of Judge Judy was on September 16, 1996. The show was a very simple format. Real cases came before Sheindlin, who made snap decisions on small claims and family disputes. However, it wasn't the cases themselves that would set the show apart. It was Sheindlin's over-the-top personality. Unlike the staid, formal judges seen on traditional courtroom dramas, Sheindlin was a force of nature. She didn't hesitate to express her opinions, cut to the heart of the matter, and, when necessary, tell the people in her courtroom exactly what she thought. The format of the show was simple. 2 sides would present their case, and Sheindlin would listen, ask questions, and deliver a judgment. But it was Sheindlin's style that made the show so appealing. She could cut through all the nonsense and get to the point, making both the litigants and the viewers laugh in the process. Her straightforward, often witty remarks made her a favorite among audiences, and the fact that she could deliver justice while keeping things interesting made the show stand out from other courtroom dramas. Her style was both tough love and humor put together. And this was the basic appeal of the show. Judge Judy was a right hit during the first season. The show's format was easy to follow, and the real-life nature of the cases made it feel authentic as well as relatable. Sheindlin's approach to justice made her an instantly recognizable figure. The quick wit and sharp tongue never failed to hook viewers. However, the presentation of legal cases itself contributed to the show's success. Unlike other fictional courtroom dramas, Judge Judy presented a rarely seen, behind-the-scenes view of the legal process. People could see such cases being dealt with in real life, and they could witness Sheindlin's expertise in law in action. At the same time, the show remained entertaining, with Sheindlin's humor and quick thinking adding a layer of excitement to these legal procedures. And the popularity continued to increase as the seasons went by. The simple yet effective format resonated with viewers, and the program became one of the highest-rated daytime television shows in the United States. Sheindlin's popularity grew alongside the show's success. People began to recognize her not just as a judge, but as a television personality. Her face became iconic, and her quick wit and memorable quotes were repeated by fans across the country. She became a cultural icon, known for her direct and forthright approach to justice, as well as often humorous commentary. One of the reasons Judge Judy became so successful was because it tapped into something deeper than just entertainment. It provided a sense of satisfaction. Viewers watched as Sheindlin dispensed justice swiftly and decisively, and they appreciated her ability to quickly identify who was right and who was wrong in each case. The show's appeal lay in its ability to offer viewers a sense of closure and resolution, something that many courtroom dramas didn't provide. In many ways, Judge Judy was more than just a courtroom show. It was the celebration of justice, fairness, and common sense. Sheindlin's style on Judge Judy was characterized by her sharp sense of humor and a straightforward approach to justice. Her directness was both refreshing and entertaining, and it made her an unforgettable television personality. She would regularly provide one-liners that would form part of the signature of the show, and her no-nonsense attitude instantly differentiated her from the other judges. What made Sheindlin special was that she did not just pass judgment, rather, she actively contributed to the drama of every episode. She used to interrupt litigants in the middle of their sentence if she suspected them of wasting her time, and she did not hesitate to render judgment on people who intended to exploit loopholes in the system. Her straightforwardness accounted for her being an authority, and her sharp tongue made her a star. The success of the show was both a reflection of Sheindlin's personality and partly due to its unique format. The integration of real-life court cases and a dash of entertainment made the difference between Judge Judy and most conventional courtroom dramas. Unlike most purely fictional courtroom drama shows, here was an opening into the judicial world as a whole, but then kept entertaining as well for an audience. This balance of education and entertainment made the show. By the time the show was entering the second season, Judge Judy had already become a household name. The show remained to top the ratings, and Sheindlin's influence began to increase. The tough-love approach of justice became her trademark, and viewers eagerly awaited her witty remarks and unmoving demeanor. Sheindlin's popularity soared to new heights, and she became one of the most recognizable faces on television. Her fame was rapid, and the show's success was undeniable. Judge Judy became the highest-rated courtroom show on television, and it marked the beginning of a long and illustrious career for Sheindlin in the entertainment industry. For the next few years, Judge Judy continued to gain popularity. Sheindlin became the face of daytime television, and the show remained a consistent hit with viewers. Sheindlin's approach to television was revolutionary. She showed that a judge could be both tough and entertaining, authoritative and approachable. Her ability to command the courtroom while also keeping viewers entertained made her a one-of-a-kind television personality. Success on Judge Judy likewise opened the way for other courtroom shows after it. In many ways, she set the benchmark for how reality TV shows based in courtrooms could both be informative and entertaining. Success of the show aside, personal achievements were remarkable. Sheindlin became one of the highest-paid television personalities in her time. Sheindlin's fame extended beyond the courtroom. She became a household name, with her catchphrases and no-nonsense approach to justice becoming part of pop culture. She was not just a television judge, she was a cultural icon. Her success was a testament to her unique ability to blend legal expertise with entertainment, making her a beloved figure both on and off the screen. By the time Judge Judy reached its 25th season, it had firmly established itself as one of the longest-running and most successful shows in television history. The show had resolved thousands of cases, entertained millions of viewers, and helped change the landscape of courtroom television. Sheindlin's legacy as one of the most influential television personalities of all time was secure. Her impact on television, the legal world, and pop culture was undeniable.
If you enjoy interesting and informative videos, please like, subscribe, and share our channel. Stay with us for more exciting videos.